AI in project management. How safe is your job? By 2030, AI is predicted to automate over 80% of project management tasks. But don't sound the alarm just yet. While AI takes over routine functions like scheduling and budget management, the heart of project management, leading and managing people, is still a human domain. Think of AI as J.A.R.V.I.S. Its effectiveness hinges on detailed human instructions. Contrary to popular belief, AI isn't a replacement threat, but rather a supportive ally. It takes care of mundane tasks, enabling you to focus on strategic and innovative aspects of your role. The future? It's about adaptation and skill development. Cultivate your ability to interact with AI, hone your strategic thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making skills. Project management is set to become more data-driven and efficient with AI, but its essence will always revolve around human interaction and leadership. So stay ahead of the curve and prepare for an AI-integrated future today.